If your Windows 11 PC has started dragging, the fix is usually simpler than buying a new one. Start with Startup Apps. Head to Settings and open Apps, then Startup. In Windows 11, start with anything labeled High Impact. Those are the apps most likely to slow down startup. When you switch one off here, you're only stopping it from opening automatically. Next, open Processes and sort by CPU, memory, or disk. That quickly shows you what's still working hard after you sign in. And if you're using an older hard drive, optimized drives can help tidy things up and keep storage running more smoothly. If Windows is waiting to finish updates, performance can feel off until that work is done. A quick check in Windows Update can save a lot of frustration. And give the PC a full restart. Closing the lid and opening it again is not the same thing. A real restart clears more in the background. Once startup is under control, it's time to clear the clutter that builds up after your PC is already running. You can also lighten the load visually. Search for Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows, then choose Best Performance or switch off effects you don't really need. If the PC still feels unusually busy, run a security check with Windows Security. It's a quick way to rule out hidden software running in the background. It's also worth removing pre-installed apps you never use. Don't overlook your browser. Too many Chrome or Edge tabs can soak up memory fast, and closing the ones you don't need can make the whole PC feel lighter almost immediately. Your laptop still feels slow after all this. The real limit may be the hardware. More RAM or moving to an SSD often delivers the biggest jump in everyday speed. That doesn't automatically mean it's time to replace the machine. Even a 3-year-old PC may have plenty of life left, and a trusted local repair team like PC Mac Fix can help you judge the best next step. Before you spend money, run the quick checklist. Startup apps, storage cleanup, updates, and resource checks solve a lot more than people expect. If the slowdown stays, that's the time to consider an upgrade or get help from PC Mac Fix.